3 ships of the United States Navy have borne the name Brooklyn, after the New York City borough of Brooklyn. USS Brooklyn, 1858, was a wooden screw sloop commissioned in 1859 and a participant in the American Civil War. USS Brooklyn, ACR-3, was a cruiser commissioned in 1896 and a flagship in the Spanish-American War. USS Brooklyn, CL-40, was a light cruiser commissioned in 1937 that saw service in World War II and was later transferred to Chile. References. This article incorporates text from the Public Domain Dictionary of American Naval Fighting Ships. The entry can be found here.